All right, we're back at it again. We're doing another Ducati lost key replacement. This one's going to be, let me see the paperwork here. It's going to be a 2015 Ducati A21 Hypermotard. So basically, customer sent the dashboard, customer sent the ignition. You may notice these little labels on there. I got like 3 or 4 of these I got to do today. So here's another one. I got a number 2. Here's the important part. Both these ignitions are the same. So I want to make sure that I don't mix up nobody's parts, because sometimes what I do is I may do all the programming for all the different bikes at one time, and then I'll go in and cut the keys most of the time for the other bikes. So depending on what I'm doing, so I like to label all the parts. That's just checks and balances for me to make sure that when I send these parts back, everybody get their correct parts. So I do all this as I'm unboxing and organizing my day on what I'm going to be doing with this stuff. So anyway, I'll come back in a little bit with the keys cut for this and programmed. All right, we're back. This puppy is done. Here we go. Let's do this real quick. Back out. Let's do that. This is a cheap little device I use to just read the chips. Yeah, it reads the chip. I use another machine with my computer and everything. I need more intense software when I'm doing the programming, writing key data, all that kind of stuff. Here's your little antenna. This is going to be the piece that, if you notice, there's 2 wires coming out of this top cap. That's actually the piece that's going to read your key. So those of you people out there who's trying to steal bikes, y'all getting in there with a screwdriver, tearing all this apart, guess what? You ain't doing no justice. If you don't have a key, you ain't riding. So just lose that idea. Anyway, keys are made. Boom, boom, boom. Lock the steering wheel. Now, I know some of you may get keys made from somebody and the key just works on and off. It works pretty good, but it can't lock the steering wheel. And the person who made you the key say, oh, you got a problem with your steering wheel lock. It's probably not so. I do a lot of these, and trust me, I can get the thing to go on and off sometimes if I'm real close. But when I'm exact, I can get the steering bolt to work and go all the way over this section. So what I did with these, I made the keys exactly, figured out the exact cuts. The lock wasn't working smooth as I wanted it to, so I ended up factoring the wear and tear. Once I factor wear and tear in, I end up with a smooth working key. That's something my computerized machines can't do. So y'all need my help, give me a call, or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup. Again, give me a call. I'll tell you what to send me, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. Those of you that's having trouble finding people, it's real simple. Why? Not everybody do motorcycles, especially motorcycles equipped with transponder systems. That's your dilemma right there. And the people that you're calling, maybe they don't get enough calls to justify spending the money for the equipment. Because obviously, if you're not getting calls for people to want you to do this type of work, it ain't worth the investment. 2, the people just probably don't have the training. This is specialized training. You definitely got to know what you're doing with this stuff. It's not straightforward. You just got to have that type of experience. Now, if y'all want to look on my YouTube channel, I've been doing this stuff for a long time. My videos are probably at least 10 years old. I think the very first Ducati I did with a chip was like I want to say a ST2 in the early 2000s. But if you want to look at my channel, I got a lot of videos, give you an idea of what I do, how long I've been doing it. And that's it. I appreciate y'all for watching. All you mechanic people that send me referrals, I appreciate y'all. Used car guys that send me referrals, I appreciate y'all. And the rest of y'all, I appreciate y'all too for watching. Catch y'all next time.